Every second counts when security is at stake. At Secury360, we don't wait for damage, we prevent it. Our smart technology detects real intrusions the moment they happen. No false alarms, no delays, just fast, accurate action. This waste company installed our solution. Here's what happened on the first night.
Thieves or unwilling participants were stealing steel or anything that they could sell. That was the biggest hurdle that Northern Waste had, is trying to combat that, and 360 ended up being the solution.
There's a critical time factor when we're responding to alarms, and if we've got video direct in front of the operator, it allows the operator to make a decision, straight away.
It worked the first night that it was in, like it just blew us all away. And then a couple of nights later, it did the same job. And there was the police caught the thieves on both occasions. Just a note, the place has not been targeted since.